Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So as you know, we were continuing with our preparation, and today we'll be seeing the Python part. And in today's Python part, we'll be focusing on the group by operations that is present in the Pandas, which is very essential. And I'll be starting the Pandas series soon, and in that I will start explaining each of the function in detail for each one video. So let's continue with our preparation. In today's, we have created one dummy dataset, and this is how the dummy dataset looks like, and this is the data frame that is. So in the dataset we have the salesperson, we have the region, we have the product, we have the unit sold, and the revenue. So now let's perform some of the operations in the group by. And okay, let's start. So first we need to group by a single column name, and the question that we'll be solving today is we need to calculate the total revenue for each particular person or each particular salesperson. Okay, so let's solve it. We need a variable name grouped is equal to, we will write df dot group by salesperson and the revenue dot sum, and then we need to print it. So yeah, this is how we have done based on the single column salesperson, and we are calculating the revenue, that is the summation of revenue for each salesperson. So let's jump to the second part, that is grouping by a multiple columns. And for this, we will be using this salesperson and the region. Okay, so grouped is equal to df dot group by salesperson, comma region, and here we need to calculate the revenue. I think we got one mistake. It should be here only, not here. Then dot sum. Let's print it. So yeah, for each salesperson based on the region, what is the total revenue? We have calculated this also. Let's now jump to performing multiple aggregations, like how to calculate total units and average units. So that we will be seeing right now. Okay, so let's give it a name. Aggregated is equal to df dot group by, we need the product, we need the dot aggregation, and inside that we need to specify the units sold, and this should be, we need the summation. And I think we got some mistake. Okay, nevertheless, let's continue. Revenue, and this for this, and for revenue we need the mean, and we will be printing this. Okay, let's run it. So yeah, for the laptop product, the total units sold is 17, that is the summation, and the revenue, this is the mean revenue or the average, we can say. So yeah, this is how you can actually calculate. Let's now iterate over the groups, like we can use the iterative function, that is a for loop over a group by. So let's see that. For name comma group, we're taking anything in df dot group by the region, and here we will print based on the region of grouping by, we are doing that. Print f region, and here we will do name. Now let's again print group. Now let's again print this into 30. So this is basically the 30 we are doing to segregate the data to look good more. So yeah, this is based on each region, that is east region, north region, and south region. We have segregated the data for salesperson, region, product, unit sold, and the total revenue. Now let's see the transform versus aggregate functions. So this is an interesting function. First we'll see the aggregate function. So let's create a new variable df dot group by, and we'll be grouping by based on the region, followed by we need the total units sold dot aggregation of sum. Sorry, let's print the result. So yeah, for east, south, and north region we have got the total units sold. And now let's see the transform. So for that, let's create a new column, df of units percentage. This is a new column we are creating, that's why we are using the df of percentage, or the df of the particular column name. Df dot group by, we need the region of units sold dot transform, and inside the transform we'll be using the lambda function. Lambda of x is to x dot sum into 100. Let's print the run. Okay, so here we can see we have got a new column, that is the unit percentage, and this is being calculated using the group by of region of particular unit sold, and we're transforming in this lambda function. Okay, so now let's see the filtering part. We'll see also. I think that is what we should do. Filtering the data, filtering based on the group. Sorry, and how we can filter? Let's start it. Let's give a variable name filtered is equal to df dot group by. We'll be grouping by the region basis. Region dot filter function started of lambda of x is to x of revenue, and this revenue of sum should be equivalent to or greater than, let's say take is 5000. So all the records which are greater than 5000 will be filtered out. So we can see the sum, whatever the summation is greater than 5000, these are being shown. Okay, so this is how you can actually do it. And yeah, the group by function, we have covered everything, and we will be doing more such functions in the near future for sure. And till then, keep loving, keep subscribing the channel, and we will come up with more such videos. And Python Pandas is always the utmost thing and the utmost important thing when you're setting for any data analytics interview. So make sure to practice all these type of questions, and I will come up with more such questions in the future. Till then, subscribe the channel and share this video with someone who really needs it. Thank you guys.